your hips, they so high, yeah, get your height on. Yeah, smoke that guy like Shaq, told that guy like right on. Dip in that gold, yeah, stick to the cold. Yeah, I got that roll, yeah, I got that roll. I'm with the squad, I'm with the squad, I'm with the squad, I'm with the squad, I'm with the squad.
What's up, Player Made Squad, Player Made Gang? It's your boy Mac P, back with another video. Today, man, I'm gonna buy my mama a refrigerator. She been telling me how her refrigerator be messing up. I think the bottom part of it has gone out completely. And when the freezer freezes up, it doesn't put out much cold. So today we getting a new refrigerator. She know about the refrigerator, but what she don't know, I got something else for her. Y'all stay with me and we gonna see how she reacts. She might not give much of a reaction to it, but yeah, we finna go do it. We finna make this shit happen on Squad. Say hey to the Player Made Gang, Player Made Squad.
No, you need to
say hey to the Player Made Gang, Player Made Squad.
Put this back there.
That's my mama, y'all. That's my mama, y'all.
You got me doing the show. I thought you could drive, I'll let you drive me.
Hey, don't play with me, mama. What up? We back. My camera died, but we back. Here go the old refrigerator. The one that was going out on my mama. Y'all see I'm sweating? Been doing work. We do work around here. We work. We do work. And here go the new one. Got the new refrigerator for
wow.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. We got something else. We got something else. Y'all know politics. We got something else. We got something else. My niggas trying to give me copyright.
Oh!
Security came, breaking them up. Okay, man, we ready.
I got that money.
The marriage came.
I got that money.
Where come, man, don't do
I
that.
got that money.
You post that.
I got the money. You got the money.
Shoot! 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 And we lit. So, my mama was happy about the refrigerator. And she was also happy about her surprise. So, mission accomplished. On Squad! Bet you won't eat, 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 bet you won't eat. Nigga, get up on my level, you gon' need some help for that. Girl, your ass so bad, I'ma need a belt for that. They saying Mac P got the juice, I show you where the Welch is at. She shake it, she bout her business, I fucked her and handled that.